Congratulations, everyone, on your third assembly. This gathering brings together a great opportunity for connection. And as we know, it hasn't been an easy task in this COVID world, but it's one worth striving for. Today's Marist want connection. We want to belong, and we want to know that we have a place in a strong spiritual family that nourishes and supports our faith life and our vocation. St. Marcellin's understanding of ministry and his spirituality are alive and well today all over the world. As well as brothers, thousands of lay Marists are living out Marcellin's vision. The association is a committed and lively expression of this charismatic movement, this spiritual family of which we all belong. Each of us seeks to live out our distinct vocation in ways that are inspired by Marist spirituality and values. For each of us, this means to follow Jesus in the way of Mary, to build a Marian church, and to be attentive and alert to the God who loves us passionately. As Marists and as people of God, we are signs of God's love and presence in a turbulent world. We're called to be inclusive, collaborative, connected, ecumenical, in communion. It is the call of Pope Francis, who launched a 2-year synodal path, asking us to encounter, to listen, and discern, to look others in the eye and to listen to what they have to say for the sake of the mission of Jesus Christ, which has been entrusted to us by our baptism. The association strives to do this in all that it does. Marists are a vital faith community, an expression of church that embraces the gospel mission with Mary and with a joy, hope, and a sense of daring. It is the same vitality, the same passion which was awakened in Marcellin, who, like Mary, was attentive to God in all life. It is the same passion which sets us on fire. As Marists and as an association, you continue to foster connectedness and communion among each other, and as an association with the Marist spiritual family around the world. We're all part of this wider church. Isn't this what the church needs and the people of God demand? The theme of the assembly, now it's time to go out into the world to shine among like the stars. Continue to be witnesses of God's love for every part of creation, to hold firmly to Jesus, who is the Word of life, and to shine among them like the stars in the sky in how we live and how we minister. Thank you for your commitment to the Marist charism and for all that you do to bring about God's vision for our world. God bless.